What if one upgrade could instantly make your car smarter and safer? Welcome to Tools Inspector. Today we're revealing 15 smart car gadgets that make driving easier every single day. Number 1. Imagine knowing exactly what's wrong with your car before stepping into a repair shop. The BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII scan tool connects directly to your smartphone and instantly reads diagnostic trouble codes. It can check engine, ABS, airbag, and transmission issues within seconds. The companion app provides detailed repair reports and possible fixes so you understand the problem clearly. It works with most vehicles manufactured from 1996 and newer. Number 2. TOPDON BT 100 Car Battery Tester. A weak battery can leave you stranded when you least expect it. The TOPDON BT 100 Battery Tester quickly analyzes your battery health, charging system, and cranking performance. It supports batteries ranging from 100 to 2000 cca, making it suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and boats. The digital display delivers clear and accurate results in seconds. Number 3. Protmex Cordless Impact Wrench. Removing tight lug nuts with manual tools can be frustrating and time-consuming. The Protmex Cordless Impact Wrench delivers up to 900 ft-lbs of torque, allowing you to loosen bolts quickly and effortlessly. It is powered by a 21-volt battery system and includes 2 batteries for extended working time. The brushless motor increases durability and efficiency while offering consistent performance. Multiple speed settings provide better control for different tasks. Number 4. Traditional oil changes can be messy and inconvenient. The ValvoMax oil drain valve replaces the standard drain plug and allows oil to be drained using a simple twist valve system. Instead of removing a bolt, you simply connect a hose and open the valve. This prevents spills and eliminates the need for tools during oil changes. The durable design ensures long-term reliability. It is an excellent upgrade for anyone who prefers doing their own vehicle maintenance. Number 5. Proper tire pressure is essential for safety and fuel efficiency. The VIAIR 85P portable tire inflator connects directly to your car's 12-volt power outlet and inflates tires quickly and reliably. It can deliver up to 60 psi, making it suitable for cars, SUVs, and light trucks. The compact design makes it easy to store in your trunk or glove compartment. A secure twist-on chuck ensures a tight connection during inflation. Number 6. Phoenix Systems Brake Fluid and Coolant Test Strips. Brake fluid and coolant condition are often overlooked until problems occur. Phoenix Systems test strips make it easy to check the condition of these fluids in seconds. Simply dip the strip into the fluid and compare the color change with a reference chart. This reveals contamination levels and indicates when replacement is necessary. Regular testing can help prevent brake system issues and cooling system damage. Number 7. BlueDevil Rear Main Sealer. Oil leaks from the rear main seal can be costly to repair. BlueDevil Rear Main Sealer is designed to restore worn seals and stop leaks without dismantling the engine. The formula works by reconditioning rubber seals so they regain their original flexibility and shape. Simply add the product to the engine oil and allow it to circulate through the system. Over time, it helps reduce or eliminate oil leaks. It is a practical solution for drivers dealing with minor seal problems. Number 8. NEEWER Camera Suction Cup Mount. Recording driving footage or mounting devices inside your car requires a stable platform. The NEEWER Suction Cup Mount attaches firmly to windshields or dashboards using a strong vacuum base. It includes a magic arm and ball head that allow precise angle adjustments. The mount is compatible with smartphones, action cameras, and small cameras. Its solid metal construction provides durability and stability. Number 9. Fanttik Slim V8 Mate Cordless Car Vacuum. Keeping the interior of your car clean can be challenging. The Fanttik Slim V8 Mate Cordless Vacuum provides powerful suction in a compact and portable design. With 12,000 pascals of suction power, it easily removes dust, crumbs, and pet hair from seats and carpets. The included hose and brush attachments help clean tight corners and small spaces. It features convenient USB-C charging for quick recharging. Number 10. Parking and reversing can sometimes be difficult, especially in crowded areas. The AUTO-VOX solar wireless backup camera provides a clear 1080p HD rear view on a large 7.2-inch display. Installation is quick because the camera is solar-powered and does not require complicated wiring. The system supports split-screen viewing and works with cars, vans, trucks, and trailers. Its waterproof design ensures reliable performance in different weather conditions. Number 11. Nilight Car Push Retainer Clips Kit. Car panels often rely on small clips that can easily break during repairs. The Nilight Retainer Clips Kit includes 635 pieces in 16 commonly used sizes. It also comes with removal tools and cable ties to simplify installation. These clips are compatible with many popular vehicle brands. The durable nylon material ensures a strong and reliable fit. This kit is extremely useful for anyone who performs interior or exterior vehicle repairs. Number 12. Solid Rubber Wheel Chock. Vehicle safety is essential when performing maintenance or parking on slopes. MaxxHaul wheel chocks prevent vehicles from rolling by securing the tires in place. They are made from heavy-duty solid rubber for strong grip and durability. The non-slip traction pads improve stability on different surfaces. A built-in handle allows easy placement and removal. These wheel chocks are suitable for cars, trucks, trailers, and recreational vehicles. Number 13. Heavy-duty digital tire pressure gauge. Checking tire pressure regularly helps improve fuel efficiency and driving safety. The AstroAI digital tire pressure gauge provides precise readings up to 230 psi. Its backlit LCD display allows clear visibility even in low-light conditions. A built-in flashlight adds extra convenience when checking tires at night. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and long service life. Number 14. Switch knob covers. Interior accessories can enhance the appearance of your vehicle's cabin. Voodonala aluminum switch knob covers are designed for Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator models. These covers are made from durable anodized aluminum and provide a stylish, premium look. They protect the original knobs from scratches and wear. Installation is quick and requires no tools. It is a simple upgrade that improves both style and protection. Number 15. ROGTZ Electric Hydraulic Car Jack Kit. Changing a tire manually can be difficult and time-consuming. The ROGTZ electric hydraulic car jack lifts vehicles up to 5 tons with the press of a button. Powered by a 12-volt car outlet, it raises your vehicle quickly and safely. The kit also includes an electric impact, wrench, and tire inflator. An integrated LED light provides visibility during nighttime emergencies. This all-in-one kit makes roadside tire changes much easier. If you enjoyed discovering these useful car gadgets, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tools, technology, and smart automotive gear.